All right, so I have a lot of cucumbers and we're gonna do my dad, well, I say my dad's, I don't exactly know my dad's recipe. I could ask him, but here we are. We're gonna do like an old-fashioned cucumber vinegar salad. It's not really a salad, but that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start with one cucumber. This is a Japanese cucumber. It's really, really big. So I'm gonna start with one and see how big, how full my dish gets. And then I have plenty more. It is that time of year where I have, I don't know how many cucumbers. So I'm just gonna slice this up and I'm gonna put them in a bowl. And then we're gonna put some salt on it and let it get the water out of the cucumber. So that's what I'm gonna do. You all don't have to watch me slice cucumbers. Just trust that I'm slicing and we'll be back. All right, this is about 1.5 cucumbers. So I'm gonna take about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of salt and kind of shake it up and let this sit for about 30 minutes to get all the water, not all the water, but quite a bit of water out of it. All right, I'm just gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and then we'll be back and rinse all the salt off. All right, it's been probably 35 minutes and that's what they look like. There's a lot of water. See all that? I'm gonna rinse these. I'm gonna rinse the salt off. I'm gonna rinse all the water off, and then we'll be back to add the very, very simple ingredients. I rinsed them. Now we're gonna add, this is about half of a white onion, chopped up. I know some people use purple, some people use yellow, white, whatever. Just add some onion. You can add more onion if you like. This is just the onion that I kind of already had cut up. And so this is what we're going with. I'm gonna separate it though. All right, hold on. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I actually don't know how much my dad adds. No idea. But we're going 2 tablespoons. A half cup of water. And a half cup of vinegar. White vinegar is preferred. And then we're gonna mix it up and we're gonna let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours. It's best like overnight, but we'll probably try it in a couple hours. Like I said, yeah, the longer it sits in the fridge, the better this gets. I remember as a kid, I think I used to drink the juice. When nobody was looking, when nobody was around, I'm pretty sure I would drink the juice. So if you're watching this, mom or dad, I definitely did. Anyway, so that is that. It's so simple. If you have a lot of cucumbers you need to use, make a big batch. I have 3 cucumbers over here that are huge that I need to use, but I did use 2 of them. So we're making progress. Anyway, we'll be back probably in a little while to at least just give this a taste to let you know if it's any good or not. But I imagine it is because it is simple. All right, we'll be back. All right, it's been a couple hours. These have been in the fridge. We're gonna give them a little taste. Jonathan doesn't like cucumbers really, so he's not gonna try them. But we're just gonna the acid from the vinegar, but the sweetness from the sugar, and they're so crunchy. And if you get like an onion with the cucumber, It's so good. It is so good. I'm telling you, if you have too many cucumbers, you should make these. I'm also watching a gnat on the lens of the camera. But you should make these if you've got too many cucumbers like I do over here, of which I still have more. You should make these. Anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna eat some more of these. We're gonna go to a baseball game tonight. We're gonna watch the Cubs play the Cardinals, and that's the night. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!